Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about how to build an Ethernet cable. So first we're gonna need a 6 wire, 6 cat cable and a wire scissors and the outputs of the Ethernet cable and the coloring protector and lastly the RJ. So firstly we're gonna cut the first section or the first layer of the wire to reveal the 8 wires inside of it. So as you can see, there are 8 wires in total, and the wire skeleton to keep everything in the place. So first you're gonna don't need this skeleton, so you're gonna cut it off. Second, we need to rearrange these wires in the correct form, because if you didn't rearrange it in the correct form, this wouldn't work. So the arrangements are white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, and then white, brown, brown. So first gonna start off with the orange. So these are already made, thank God. Second is the white, green. Now for the blue. Now for the white, blue. Now for the green. And lastly, the two gray colors, the two brown colors. First is white, and second is the normal brown. So here we go, we have all colors rearranged together: white, orange, orange, white, green. Wait a moment. So here we have white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, and then brown. Check the length of the wire output. So it's maybe here. So then we're gonna cut it off. Very nice and easy. Then inside of this output there are 8 spaces for these 8 wires. So then we're gonna install them through this wire. So let us check if it's everything okay. White, orange, orange. No, so we're gonna rearrange it again. And here we go. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, and then white, brown, brown. There you go. Then you're gonna check on top if it's all connected to the 8 pins on the output. And if you're done and ready to RJ it, so we're gonna use this tool, the RJ, and you're gonna put it inside. This will make the cable inside of it stable, so it doesn't move and doesn't come out easily. And if you hear this click, that means that it worked. After you finished, if you forgot to put the safety feature, you can put it in the other side easily, like this. And make sure that the top is matched with the top of the safety feature. And there you go. Congratulations.